Hey guys, Sammy Moniz here of Feeding the Frasers. We are here at Traeger Grill's headquarters, and today we are going to spatchcock a chicken. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is flip the bird over. So this is pretty recognizable. These are the breasts. We've got our thighs here, our wings up top. We're gonna flip it over so we can see now the neck. We've got the upper cavity and the lower cavity. We're gonna start at the neck. It's just a little easier to find. And we're gonna cut on either side. So we've got two options here. We've got some pretty traditional kitchen scissors, and we've got these bad boys. They are a little bit more like garden shears, and they're a little spring-loaded. So definitely gonna give you a little bit easier of a time when cutting through the bones. All right, here we go. We're gonna dig right in. I typically start on the right-hand side, but mainly just because I'm a righty. And it can be a little tough because you are cutting through bones. Actually, I'm gonna switch to these. These are what I know and trust the most. You can absolutely do a whole roasted chicken, but I challenge you to try this. The best part about spatchcocking a chicken is that it eventually, once we get this out, we're able to lay it a little flatter, and it makes it for a little bit quicker of a cooking time, a little bit more even of a cooking time when the bird is laying as flat as can be versus sitting up tall as a full bird. Now that I've got a good way down, I'm going to switch over to the other side. That helps to just kind of hold this up. So you can cut in as close to the spinal cord as possible, so that way we're not losing some of this back meat. What we want to do before we cook it is flip it back to our more recognizable side. I always puff out the legs like this, and then we're going to apply pressure right between the two breasts and break the breastbone. And then that way it lays nice and flat on your Traeger grill.